Alright, so I just held the select menu button in and powered up the ECU, released it to learn RC. So you see it says set throttle to minimum. It's at 1286. On the Jetty I am all the way down and throttle's all the way down. So you can see that's at 1286. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. Sorry, hard to see this. Okay, now it's saying throttle trim to maximum. Okay, so leave the stick where it's at, and we're going to bump the trim up to maximum. Now you see we're at 1545. Sorry, some motorcycles here today. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit OK on that. Now it's saying set throttle to maximum. Okay, so the trim's already up, but they're asking for throttle, so we'll go maximum on that on the stick. Now we're at about 1800, 1801 or 02. So at that juncture, I'm going to click one more time here. Sorry, I'm having a hard time seeing. We're done. Dual pump connected. Version 7.8. But I'm getting this low temp error, and the starter motor is not even spinning when I try to start it. So let me do a simulation of that right now. So let me pull the throttle stick fully back. Trim is all the way down. So now you can see, okay, great. Everything's fine there. No lights here. Okay. Let's trim it up, full trim. Okay, now you can see the start sequence on the GSU terminal input. Now I'm going to actually go up on the stick to start. Nothing. Yet, the GSU is showing that it's going through all the same things it normally does during startup. It goes through preheat 1, preheat 2, and then it just goes to low RPM. So I'm going to pull the stick back, trim back down, and that's where I'm at. Not sure what to do.